How to log into Kwik Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box over there. Type in Kwik Mortgage login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, kwik.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right, you'll see the option of login. Click on that option. Once you're on the login page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the email address, then type in the password. If you have any issues logging into your account, click on the option of trouble signing in. With that, your problem will be resolved. After you provide all the details, click on the option of sign in, and just with that, you'll be logged into your Kwik Mortgage account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of sign up and go through the registration process. So this way you can easily log into Kwik Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.